Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Excuse me. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're eating oatmeal. That was just faster. Sorry about that. So, padlock. It's not a trick padlock. It's just a clear padlock. It came with my lockpick set, and today I'm going to show you how to lockpick it. So watch me do this in not that long. Okay, 1 second. Didn't feel wise. Gotcha. Didn't get it. Weird. This lockpick is like... Got it. Now, normally I can do that a lot easier, but that's not what we're doing today. Watch this. You can't lock it. It's gotta be like this. Yeah. Okay, so now it's locked again, and I'm going to show you how. Okay, so if you have one of these little lockpick wallets, I'm not going to show you the other side because it has their name on it, the company. And so you take one of these. It's a tension tool. If you have a padlock like this, you'll stick it in the top. And so you stick it in the top, right? And it has to be all the... Okay, we're going to use the long side this time. Okay, so you stick it in the top, and it has to be all the way at the top. And you're going to twist it this way. That, like so. And then what I would like to do... God, it just fell down. I always use the short side because it's easier for me. And I put my thumb down here, and I push with my finger there, and then what you need to do with this one is get that and that pin down. And I already have gotten it, but if you don't get it right away, it's really not that hard. My brother did it in 6 Mississippis, 6 seconds. So yeah. Do. Jacob!
Yeah?
Guess what?
What?
I'm filming a video. Yeah.
I hate you.
Well, I told you I was going to, so... Alright, so this is actually the hardest one to lockpick, which is why I can't lockpick it. So freaking hard. Alright, so we're going to put our tension tool in. Alright, so this one is literally unlockpickable. Like it's not lockpickable. That's the way to say it. I'm gonna eat my oatmeal. Alrighty. Okay, so we got our little wallet here. It is missing... Oh, shoot. Oh, God, I took it out and I didn't put it back in, didn't I? All right, well, it's missing 3 tools, which is my fault. But, we don't talk about that. All right, so you can also use this one. Stick it in. It's actually a lot harder to use. And today we're just going to be going through every single lockpicking tool and what they're for. So I have 4 tension tools. Watch. And the padlock, this one, the snake rake is really good for the padlock. And this one's not good for the padlock. This is the best one. And then, sorry, my British accent came out there for a second. And then you stick it in. Okay, so the first thing that the first thing that I thought that I needed to do was get every single little pin down at the same time. However, that's completely and utterly wrong. And then I thought, well, you can see that in there. Try to get the glare away. See that in there? I was sticking this little guy all the way in there. Yeah, you can kind of see him moving around in there. And you actually don't need to move it around that much. But, spoiler alert, if you don't use the tension tool, it's not going to work. So, see. See, and I didn't unlock it. And I would like to say I'm a good lock picker because I can literally unlock a padlock. So I'm pretty sure I can unlock any padlock you give me. Unless it's like one of those ones where you have to have a code. Then I can't. And then if you have the tension tool, count 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. So it literally took me 2 seconds to lockpick my lock. So, yeah. It's got a very weird texture, but it's there. It's presenting itself to you. Talking about the oatmeal. So yeah, I would recommend using the short side if you have one of these. They're from Subtle Digs. It's actually one of my dad's friends works there. So yep. Okay, so as you can see, the pins are moving. And once you get that little click and this thing moves just a little bit, you know that you got it. And I can lock pick like probably half of every single lock in my house because most of them are really old, except for our door lock that we just got, and then my dad took the porch out, so we can't use it anymore because the porch was like really high. So like, here's the ground, here's where the porch was, and my dad took it out, so then it's just the ground. Here's where you jump, and then you have to jump all the way down, and we're really used to just stepping onto the porch, so we could have broken something, which is why he was skeptical. So he taped up the entire door. It looks funny. Nope, didn't get it. Sometimes you'll feel like you get it, but you won't get it. Can you get out of my way? Thank you. And you can see I'm moving the pins down. Still filming the video, Jake. Okay, I just got this stuck in there. Oh, that's great. Got it out.
And you said you were going to make an ASMR video. Which is bad. ASMR sucks.
Yeah, it does, dude. That's why I didn't make it. Alright, so the reason it might be kind of hard to stick your lockpick in there for a little while is because the way locks work is like very futuristic, I would say. And so the lock is kind of like, these have to go down in a certain way. So, it has to go like, the key is fitting into the lock. So when you put the key in, all the little pins move around, and they know that triggers the lock, which way. But, however, when you do lockpick it, you kind of mess up the lock, so this one doesn't have a key. So I've messed it up already, so I can't, like you don't mess, never mind. I take that all back. Said it wrong. Sorry. So basically, you got the springs and all right, so we're gonna try to. Yeah, I took these all out except for that one. So we're gonna try to do it with all of these. Unlock this little padlock here with all of these here lock picky doodles. So the first one I'm going to use is the snake rake, which I already know because it's easy. So I need to get this one out of the way and not save it for last because this is the best. So you save it for the first one. Save the best for last, is the saying, as the saying goes. Got it. Oh, don't you just love that sound? Okay, moving on. This is the done pile over here. Now we're gonna use the one that looks like a key. Like, look at that. Like, that is a key, my dude. And this one's going to be a bit harder because I normally only use the snake rake, and this one might not fit into this lock. Totally the same. So I've already locked it again, as you can see. I got it. Oh, yes. And then we're going to use the 3-humped rake, I think is what it's called. Do 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 do. Okay, let's keep going. 3-humped snake rake, I think it's called. 3-humped grotto. 3-humped grotto. That's what it's called. Gotcha. Did I get you? Didn't get you. Okay, this one might be the. Gotcha. Need this tension tool. And then we're gonna do the 2-humped grotto. Grotto? It's not grotto, okay? It's grotto. 2-humped grotto. And it is for sure these locked, my dudes. I got it! Yeah. Alright, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 locks down. Okay, now this one's going to be hard. This is called the diamond. Yes, this one's called the diamond. Okay, I'm going to lock it up now, and then we're gonna use my little tension tool here. Okay. Oh God. This might be one of my hardest challenges, guys. I'll just get a seance table in here. What? Okay. That was the weirdest I've had so far, which is about 5 now. Oh, we've got the rake. This is just a rake. That's not a snake rake. All right, I have it locked. Okay, we have 3 left after this one. Already got it. Oh God. Go away. Nobody likes you. Stupid planes flying over the house all the time. All right, got mine locked again. And this one, this one's the diamond. Don't know what that other one was then that I said was the diamond. Okay. Oh, didn't get it. Shut up. Gotcha. Okay, so you have to actually go get down different pins for different lockpicks. That's just crazy, man. Got 2 left. Forget what you're called. Hey, but I've named them all, haven't I? Except for you. Okay, got mine locked again. Okay, this one's gonna be the hardest. Oh, this dude's actually like doesn't fit in the thing. Okay, I'm gonna have to. Oh shoot. Yeah, no. Okay, put my. Dude, stop it. You make me think I broke the lock, which would be very unfortunate. Wait, we got a lockpick. My thing is locked. Take 2, guys. Take 2. I got it. I got it. Locking it up. Oh, we have the last one. The last one. Coming out. Come out. Oof. All right. We got the very, very, very last one. Alright, I've got my lock locked as I showed you before. Looked suspicious, so I'll show you again. Alright, this one's going to be hard because it has a very... You two gentlemen right there, can you go down for me, sir? I didn't even push the pins down. I literally... Yes. I did it. Who's a winner, chicken dinner. I always hated that saying. My school gym teacher, who I hated, she was so mean. She made me do push-ups for nothing. Yummy. Still just as good when it's cold. Mrs. Harden used to cheer for the other team that I was always not on. So, maybe she was biased because her kid was, like, always on the opposite team as me. So, maybe. Who knows? Well, guys, that is 18 minutes, which is a long time for me to lockpick. So I think that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys like my channel enough to press the subscribe button. I hope you guys like my channel enough to press that sub button and like this video. And if you subscribe, no pressure, then definitely hit the bell button. Bye, guys.